Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last few video I will show you communicate inside notice board, like a notice board how to works. So in this video we can continue inside notice board, means a communicate inside send email. Suppose I need to send like a specific user email, so I can do it. Like I can type title, I can type message after, otherwise I can choose the specific user, otherwise or means this is the or condition. Suppose do you want to send like all user, like a student need to send, parent need to send, and teacher need to send, like is a checkbox. So you can choose like a student, so student can receive the email, and suppose you can like a parents, so parents can receive the emails, and teacher, so teacher can receive the emails. I will show you one by one, so please carefully watch. Here is a no any copy paste work, so please carefully watch, and I can show you how to make like a send email to teachers, students, and parents, or a specific user, like you need to send like a one email to only one student, so you can send him. Just for this send email, no any process. Okay, we can develop like chat module, so his student can reply, and like admin can write something, so admin can replies whatever. But this is like a big module, I can show you step by step. It's a very good way I can show you because I know how to do. Okay, so we can use the node.js, so I can show you node.js wise, so you don't want to refresh the page, automatically you receive the SMS, means a message, but we don't want to show do now, so we can do like later. So right now we can continue like a send email modules inside a communicate. So just go to resources, inside you need to go use, inside you need to go to layouts, inside you need to go header.blade.php. So let's make some zoom outs and just go downs, and here the academies, examinations, attendance, after communicate. So just create a new routes. Here we can do like a send email, and here also I can change notice board to send email. Here also I can change, so the active class also works. So let's go back and refresh the page, so we can check is the menu is there, cannot there, is 100% there. So here you can see it like a send mail, send emails. So let's create a new routes for this ones. So just go to routes, inside now to go web.php, and just go down. So here is all the admin routes. Let's copy whatever do you want to like copy. Suppose do you want to copy like this ones, so also you can copy and paste here. Just we need to create a routes like send email. So here admin communicate send emails, here you can see it like this, and after we can do here like a send emails. Okay, so let's go to communicate controller insights and create a new function send email. Let's do is a up functions send emails, and just copy and paste bottom one, but we don't want to copy this one, just copy add one, because we directly we need to show like a form. So it's copy and paste. Let's go and refresh the page, so we can check how it's look show. I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a add new notice board, because we did inside a same page this reason. So you can see it here, but we need to change here. So just we need to make like communicate inside a one file send email. So just go to resources, views, inside go to admin, inside you need to go to communicate, inside we need to create a new file send email blade.php. Okay, so everything is good, no issue, and just you can change this title send email. Let's make some space here, and just go to communicate, inside notice board, inside add.blade.php, just copy all the file and just paste inside. Okay, so we need this is the text area, because we need to write our message. So save these things and just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it here like messages there, here we check send mail there. So just let's change this is the add new notice board to send mail. I already show you last video how to make this is the text box. So do you want to watch my last video, so you can easily understand, because we are using this plugin, and here we have did like composer.text area, and this class we have provide here, means id we have provide here compose text area. So automatic creating like a text area box, means a text editor, we don't want to need like a notice date, publish date we don't need, just removing. And title to we can change to subject, because we need to write here subject, whatever do we want to like. And also we need to make like a name is equal to subjects and title to subjects. Okay, so everything is good now. I save, and everything is good, no issue now. Let's go to here, add new notice board, so send email. Okay, so everything is good now, so just save, just go back again, refresh the page. Okay, now you can see like subjects, message to who is the receiver, like admin, sorry, student, parents, other teachers, who is the receiver. And here is a like a message, and here you can change submit to send email. So just go down and we can change this title send email. So now it's good, so no issue. So here we need to make like one specific user need to send an email. So suppose here I need to choose like one student. Okay, I need to send for this student only emails, like student one, no need to send like all. So we don't want to choose like this one, we need to make here like a users, and here we can make user select 2. So select 2 wise you can search and you can do it, like our database like a 10,000 record there, so we don't want to show like here like all the record, otherwise page is not opening very quick. So we can use a select 2. So let's go to our themes and we can check which one is better for a select 2. So open your admin themes, and otherwise I already opened before. Okay, I already opened admin themes, you can see it inside a pages. Inside you need to go, inside you can go form, and inside you can go like advanced.html. So here you can see it like a select 2, here you can search like a student 1, so automatic record found. But we need to make here Ajax query, after Ajax query wise you can get the data. It's like a long process, but I can show you. Okay, so just remove, we don't need. So let's open these pages and we can just copy for this code, so we can put our projects. So let's go to advanced.html file, like just open inside a 1 minute. I just drag and drop, and here I can put my codes. Okay, here send mail advanced.html. So let's go to like a minimals, and let's go back again code, and I can search here. Okay, this is the data here there. So just copy this data like a 62, and you can go and just put after like here. We don't want to need this line because I copy. Okay, so just I copy and paste work, not did anything else. Okay, I just save this file, I just go back again, we don't need these files, means this step, so I close, and here I refresh. So you can see it like a I have copy paste work, so here showing. But let's change here to minimals, means users, whatever user do you want to like users means like students, parents and teachers. So let's make it so we can easily understand. Parents and teachers. So it's good. Let's go back again and refresh the page. So user, students, parent and teacher. So here you can choose it, like we need to make a select 2, but it is not working select 2 because we need to add some plugin. So let's go back again and check the advanced.html and just go up which is the select 2 library, so we can understand. Otherwise you need to search like this select 2, and just go down, also go down. Let's go down. Here is this plugin, just copy this plugin, and here you can see like a select 2 full.min.js. Just copy this plugin and just go down, and just we can same like we did URL like this, you can change like publish inside dist. So just change this one, and here you can make like a full URLs. Okay, now it's good. Let's go down, select to anything. Yes, this is the function also you need to copy, select to and put here. Okay, let's go back again and check working not working. I just refresh the page. It's still not working, something missing. Let's make it F12 and let's see what is the error. Like a select2 is not defined, but he over defines. So let's go to control U and just go down and here just open. So page not found. So public inside dist inside plugin select2.js. Press Ctrl F5, still not page found. So let's open the our folder publics inside dists inside select2 is not there. You can see it inside JS. Sorry, dist inside need to go plugin inside select2. Here is there select2. The JS inside full.min.js select2 full.min.js is there. I don't know why it's not found. Public dists plugins select2 everything is good. Let's make a semicolon here. I save these files. I just go and refresh the Ctrl F5 again. Okay, this is also not found. So what is the issue? Let's save again. Go back again. Refresh the file. Because this is the also stop work. Okay, now work. For summer not found. 404 not found. Also same thing is the plugin 404 not found. I don't think why isn't it the issue. Public let's go to layouts. Where is the layouts? Inside go to app.blade.php. Oh, we have added like another dist. This reason we don't want to add a dist. I think so because public no dist is need. I think let's go to back again. Check. Yes, we don't want to need a dist. This reason just remove this one. Okay, I save this file now again and just go back again. Refresh the files. So you can see it now working very well. Select2 also work. You can see it. Select2 not work, but error is solved. Okay. So select2 because we have removed here code about the select2. Just go back again and paste here, and I just go to back and refresh the page. So now it's working very well. You can see select2 found, but here we have not added like a CSS file. This reason, don't worry, I can add a CSS file. But let's sort out like this issue in like other pages we have made. Inside admin, inside communicate, inside need to go notice board, add inside, and just removing dist because we have made a mistake this reason, and edit inside also you need to remove the dists. Okay, so this issue can be sorted out because you can see it like public inside plugins there, these reasons. So okay, everything is good now, and let's go to back again and copy the CSS file for the HTML. So here is there. So just copy this line and go to send email.blade.php and just go back, and here we need to use another section style because we have already created for this and section, and here we can change again like this publics slash plugin select2 css select2 min.js. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check now. So refresh the page, so you can see it working very well, no issue. You can see it now, you see. But this is the like a generate the issue. I think this is the we can sort out, don't worry. But right now is working very well. This is the heights problem, so just spec element and we can check what is the problem about heights. So here we can, because lots of changes need, I know, because it's not easy to wear. So just make it like this heights, whatever do you want to like, and just copy this class, and here you can make like style, and here you can do like dot, and here we can make like heights. What's the heights we did here? Like a 40 px. So just copy and paste here 40 px, and just go back again and refresh the page. So I think issue can solve. Okay, so you can see it now. You can see it. You can search here, but we don't want to need a, like all the button. Just we need to use a like a one. No need a one also. Just remove all. We don't want to need this one also selected. So just we can type here like a value is equal to null, and here we can do like a select. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, and here you can see select, and here you can whatever search this list you can find out the bottom. So this is the we need to call the Ajax inside a select2, like a here. So this is the like a main part, because right now we are just set up like a select2. So I can show you how to call here Ajax. So I can open my other project, because I did lots of project like this. So I just copy and show you how you can make it. Okay, so just wait few seconds. I am opening the other project inside, and I just go down. So you want to use like this? I just copy other project one and I just paste here. So here I can change like a select2. Okay, and I just close this one. We don't need now anymore this one. So I can show you. So what I did here, like a select2 inside we have passed like a Ajax. Ajax inside we did like a response. How to use I can show you. Here we can pass like a data, suppose whatever user type we need to search, but we don't want to do like this data. So just removing whatever data you can typing here, like here. So this data I can get here, and we can put inside data.terms inside we can put inside search. So I can show you how to make, and this is the URL for the my other project, but we don't want to use this URL. We can use like our URL like this, like a, like here make a search users, communicate inside we can search users. So let's try first of all Ajax work not work. Here we use the data type JSON, delay is equal to 250, and here is the data whatever passing, and after whatever response you get, this data we can put automatically. This is the select2 is the Ajax plugin. Okay, so don't worry about that, is 100% work, and I can show you how it works. So let's open the spec element. I refresh the page, and I just I go and I can search here something. So you can see it like searching, and here you can go to Ajax, you can see it, you see search here, and also you can see it like but we have not created this route, this reason searching like this. So let's create for these routes. Just go to admin, communicate, and search user. So just go here, and this is the get method. So don't worry, is not using the post method we are. So just put like this here, and here you can make like a search user. So let's make a capital, because we use always capital, so we can use also this one capital. Okay, so communicate controller inside, just go to like a function search users, and here you can pass like $request to request. Let's make a dd $request all. So what data I get I can show you here. So let's go to back again, refresh the page, and we can select something here like a, let's search like this. So you can see it like a 500 internet error. So is a meaning about the search is equal to, you can see it like a whatever data we can get, like this data we can get here, like search inside you can see it whatever type you are here. So inside a select so suppose go to requesting. So here you can see search is equal to whatever data I have type here, this data you can passing, and here you can see it like printing. Okay, so 100% works, so no issue. Now I need to make condition here, if is not empty, like a search, so spelling mistake search, so it's going to inside, otherwise going to else part. Otherwise we don't want to need a else part, just open above we can declare like a blank array. So I can show you for this how to make a search for this data. Okay, so just simple way I can copy like other my codes, and we can do it easily. So just go back again, and I can create here one is a JSON array. Okay, so this JSON array inside we can store our ID and name. So let's go back again, and I copy my other code again, and I can put here. So we can change here like a users, and here I can put like a search users, and just we can pass like a search. Other thing we don't want to need, so just remove. Okay, and this is the like our name. So let's make comment out. After I can show you how to use. So here what I did, one variable inside get users model inside we have create a new function now. So just go to users, and here I can create a new function, static function search user. Now here I can pass like a search parameter. So we can like whatever search data here there, so we need to use inside our users table. Inside we need to make a like query, and we can get the data. So let's show, and we can sort out the issue. So I can make a query for this one, like a return self means about table name, select like users dot star, and we can make here like a like query. So just simple way, whatever do you want to use. So I just copy like other project again, so we can do it quickly this reason, otherwise this video is going to very big. This reason I don't want to type again this reasons. Okay, so just I copy, and I also have put a limit like a 10 records found, no need to found like a more records. So here is the search parameter I pass, like where inside a search parameter here I use a like query, and also use I like a or where. So just we can do like his name, and here I can use like a last name. Okay, and so everything is good now. This query also work, and here we can make like return dollar returns. Okay, so whatever here data there inside user table, so we make like a like query. So search inside on or where means the name inside we can search, also we can search inside last name. So let's go back again, and we can try. Let's make uncomment for these codes, and here I can put like a name, and also you can put here last name. Okay, we don't want to need like this, and so you can see it like name and last name. But I think we can make another for the query for like user type inside, so I can understand for this user is a student, this user for like a teachers. Let's first I can show you after we can do like this. So just we can pass here a JSON. So just we can do like this, echo JSON encode and $JSON. So now it's good, everything is clear now, because our search is using name and last name wise. So let's save these files and just go back again and refresh the page. So working, not working, we can check like a send email. Okay, so let's go to back again, refresh the page. Syntax error. What's the error? Syntax error. Okay, because we are not made here like a semicolon, this reason. So just go back and users, and here you can make a semicolon, otherwise we don't want to use this one. So just remove and just remove this semicolon. Okay, so let's go back again and refresh the page. So see how it works, not works. So you can see it here. Okay, so back. Okay, working very well. Let's search here like student. Suppose I can search student. So you can see it, all the record found for the students, because whatever database name inside there, because my I had like this name, this isn't showing like this. Okay, spec element network inside you can search like another like teachers, so you can find all teacher data, whatever data there, but we need to make like role like a teachers, parents and students. So we can use like here type. So just go back again to controllers, and here we can use like a dollar type is equal to blank if dollar value user type means yes, user type database column name inside user type is equal to so means is a teachers. So just you can pass here teachers. Same thing we can do like else if suppose the 3 is a student and 4th means a parent and 1 is a admin. Let's make it also admin, because also you need to send like a specific admin mail, so you can do it parents. And also we can make like a 1, and here you can make else if, and just I can make like 1, and I can make here like a teacher to admin. Okay, so everything is clear. And this is the type I need to pass inside a dash sign and dot types. So let's back again and search. So work not work, we can check. You can see it now, everything is clear. So I can search like a as, so you can see it like a student for student is it means type. Suppose you can search teacher, because I have put like a student 1, student 2, student 3 name this reason like this show, otherwise look like a better. So here you can see like s is a missing here, so this is the teachers. So you need to send this teacher's mail, so you don't want to select the message to, just you can type subject and type message after clicking the send email. So this is the message need to go for this means for these teachers. So I hope you can understand now what I am saying. So let's go back again and close rest of file, we don't want to need, because now is a clear everything. So just we need to leave like a send email, and we also don't want to need these ones, and just we can leave like a web.php and send mail. Okay, so let's go back up, and just you can provide like a name is equal to user id is not required. Suppose do you want to choose this one, do you want to choose this one, whatever do you want to choose is a mail sending. Okay, and this is the also is a message, and here is a titles means subjects. So let's, this is the action is equal to blank, so just go to web.php and just copy this one, and you can make like here post method, because the URL is equal to blank, and just you can change send email users. So just you can make like another function send email user, and the communicate can inside you need to create a new function app inside, go to second HTTP controller, so you can see it here. I already explain every time, but this is I'm not explaining, just I am using the go to method. Like here I can change like a send email users, and here I can change like a request $request, just make a dd, and so we can check what data I get here. Okay, so let's go back again, save these files, and we can check how it's look work. So subject I can type like a IPT iOS Android apps, and here I can search anything. Let's make a so let's copy this use students. I think their student name like this, I don't know, because this the student deleted, this reason not showing, but we can also showing here deleted student, so we can contact here, understand. So this the student deleted, this reason here I can say message, and here this is the students, so these students, and I don't want to choose, let's choose anyone like teachers or parents, because we already create one array here, you can see it here like you can see message 2 array. Last video you can watching, so you can understand. Also we have put like a 3, 4 and 2, so this is the data we can get, like this is the user type. So let's refresh again, and here we can make like a iOS, and here we can make like a student because this is the user types, and here I can type like our message, whatever do you want to type, so you can type and click on the send email, so you can get the data like subject user id. So user id means is like a student for, because the user type is equal to for use student there, this reason I am thinking, I think this is the for of the student, like a message 2, so you can see it like message 2. So who is the receiver type is equal to 3 type, he can receive the message and files. So files, so we don't want to use because it's an automatic converter text editors. So let's, now is the last part we are remaining, send email. So let's sort out. So this is the module also done in this video. I know this video already done like 30 minutes, but let's do now, and we can create a same like a model inside, not a mail inside, you can see it like a forget password mail. So we can use it directly like this, and we can do it easily. So close this one and just open your terminal. First you need to go your codes. After you open the terminals, let's go to my codes first. So you need to go your codes, schools.com. Okay, this is my codes, and let's close this one, we don't want to need anymore. And I just make a inspect elements, sorry, terminal open, and I can make some zoom. Oh, okay, this is like look like better because I don't want to make a mistake. Okay, PSP artisan make mail, and here I can do like what's the mail name, send email user. Okay, so this is the send email user mail. So this is the mail we are creating using the command line. So just press enter and you can create a mail. So just wait few seconds. After you can find out this mail inside. So automatic found, not automatic, here is a creating. You can see it like send email user mails. So working very well, same like you can see it like this here there. So this is the wise working like you can go to send mails and also open like a forget password. So you can see it like here is our subject, but this subject we have made dynamic, so subject works. And also I have already done like my enemy inside like a our mail server like a sandbox smtp mail trap. I have used a mail trap, so you can copy your account inside a mail trap. Okay, so no issue. And here I can read like a markdown, like say, suppose I can using the forgot dot mail, so you can see it like a forgot password. Here I did markdown like a image dot forget with I have passed like users inside dollar these users, but here is a different way works, but I can show you. Okay, so just copy this name and go to our controller I mean to declare here our name. So let's go to auth controller and just copy the forget ones and just I can put here. Okay, so working very well, so no issue. So here we can use it like a send mail, but let's make it for the send mail only for the user. Suppose you can see like here like specific user, this user can receive the email. So we can do first for this email. So is not empty dollar request users means user id. So going to inside, so let's make a first for him like only specific user emails, like whatever there here user, you can select this one. So let's make like get users dot get single, because this is the function we have already done before, but I can show you. So let's go to users inside, you can see it like a get single, like here I don't know I have made it not made, I think 100% we have made, because so you can see it inside user model inside get single this function. Okay, so working very well. So just go to forget password mail and just copy this two line, and here I can paste inside a communicate controller. Otherwise you can watch here like we can change here like a send email user mail, and he redirect mail successfully sent. We can change this is the message mail successfully send, and I just close, means I can means I am not close, just put in outside, because we need to make here like another if message 2 is not blank, so we need to send for him mails. Okay, so just we can change like here is the get users to users, and here is a user email. Suppose our database users table inside we can get the data, so here there is a email. So suppose I can show you inside a student, so you can see it here like this is the email. Suppose I can choose this student, so this is the email, he can receive the emails. Okay, so just go to send email again. So everything is good now. So just go to send email, and also we need to pass like here like our message. So just you can use like a send message, so you can put like a request request inside you can get whatever this is, you can pass like a message I get, and same thing I can type like a subject. So here we can type like a subjects. Okay, so users data we have pass here. So just go to send email, because this is the column not there inside users table. So carefully I have created my way, because I know is lots of video you can checking, nobody can like explain why you do you use, nobody can using like this, but this is the like good way. So we don't want to pass like a two parameter here. This reason I am doing one parameter inside everything. This reason I have created like send message and send subject my way. So do you want to add your name, so you can use it, and this is the request. So this is the form name, like here whatever you can typing for this form and whatever you can typing here. So this data I will show you here like a subject and message, and this is the I have passed inside a send email user mail insights. So let's go to inside and we can use it. So let's open the mail inside forget password, just copy public users and put here, and this is the for Laravel 10. Suppose do you want to use it like Laravel 9, so nobody not possible to work. So I can carefully watch this is the Laravel 10. Okay, so just copy this line again, users, because we have passed here users, and also we have passed like a here dollar users parameter, you can see it here. Okay, so everything is good, and now we can, this is the our need to use like a subject. So this is the subject here. So subject already there, just make a dynamic subject. So just use it like dollar this users. So let's go back again, check dollar these users send subjects. So this is the subject I need to use. Okay, so this is the subject I make dynamic dollar this means this is the user, and this user inside is there send subjects, and here is like we need to use like a markdown. We don't want to use like is, so just copy the markdown code. I already show you last time, so how to do, like you can watch the forget password so you can understand for this video. And here you can change like a send mail. So we need to create a new file, send mail. So just go to emails inside, emails views, and you need to go to emails. Where is the emails? Here is there. Okay, here there, and I just create a new file, sendmail.blade.php. Okay, so just open the forgot one and just copy and paste here, and we don't want to need any other, so just removing, and just we need to show like hello whatever name there. This is the name pass, because we are passing here data about the users. You can see it here with users. Okay, and here we also need to show like our message. So just you can make like a our message like a dollar users send sms. So yes, send message. So just copy this line words and paste here, so is the message also work. Okay, I save these files, and I just go back again, and we can test work not work, because we are not passing any attachment. Otherwise do you want to pass attachment, so you need to pass here like a attachment URL, so automatic also works. But this video I can create how to use attachment like a next video after 2 days. So we can show you how to make attachment. So we can upload here files, and do you want to send this file, so you can do it easily. Okay, so now it's clear. So do you have a question, so please comment out. So let's test now working not working. So just back again, and I open my mail trap using like a, so I can show you. So here I can type like subjects, iOS and Android apps, and here I can choose like a student one. Like here is all data is a testing data, so everybody know. So I don't want to say anything. Here message 2 we are not using, so don't worry about that. And here I can type like anything. Let's type like this one, email delivery platform delivery just now great business to individual. Okay, I just copy paste, otherwise I don't want to copy paste. So you can go to here, and you need, sorry, just click here, and you can put here. After you can remove, so is a one tab created. Suppose you can put like here another, so also you can use it. So just removing, and we can show you like a different way. Okay, so here I can type like this, here I can type like this, whatever do you want to like. Okay, you can type it. Here I can remove these ones, and here also I can remove these ones. So let's see how it's look show, and I can show you. Otherwise you can go to any dummy data, you can copy this line, so it's also possible to work. Let's remove because I don't want to copy other one, otherwise you can told me you are a copyright issue, so I don't want to use, and I just use like a dummy data, and I can just remove. Okay, and I just copy and paste bottom, and I can make this is the one lines. So let's click on the send email and we can check work not work. I just click now, send emails. So one is the mail not found because we have not declare here mails. So just go back again and just you can use like use mail. Okay, I save these files and I just go back again and press Ctrl F5. So whatever data stored inside a browser, so we can send a resend. So I think sending the mails taking time, 100% sending the mails. Taking time, I hope. Let's go back again because we have used the control F5, so it's going to back to error again. This reason generated the issue, I think so. Page is hanging again because of the I have pressed control F5, this reasons. Okay, let's add again. Anyone you can choose because this is the going to mail trap because my credential is a mail trap. So do you want to use like a Gmail credential? So Gmail inside receive whatever credential you are using, so this one works. Okay, I already show you. I already made like a mail trap one. So I just click on the send SMS, means send email, click the buttons. It's taking some time because the mail trap. So is the mail sent successfully, work very well, so no issue. Let's open my mail trap account and I can show you. One minute, I am opening my other browser because we don't want to show private data here. These reasons, let's make here and again mail one time because is a like privacy policy about YouTube. This reason I don't want to make a risk. Otherwise, I can show you. I have no issue. Send email. So let's see. This is my mail trap account. So you can see it like a one is a testing mail trap account. So don't worry. You can see iOS and Android app with we have put like a subject and title. This reason here showing. So inside you can go. So it also is a mail loading. You can see it here. Visit the select document and for example and information about the plugin whatever type I message. Also you can see like hello student means a testing name, like whatever name you are adding inside a here, understand. So you can use it. Let's I can copy paste here like move, so we don't want to go other browsers. Okay, let's make another. And otherwise do you want to make like HTML more use, so just using like this. Suppose sometimes people using the HTML, so you can use like this is good. Okay, so no issue. So let's do again testing, so we can test like final time now. iOS and I can choose any subjects, students, whatever do you want to do, student for, and I can just using like a editor and I can just paste here. I just copy and I just remove some spaces. Here also I can remove, I can put here. Okay, let's click on the send mail, but send email we can do. Let's make a here like a success message because we have not add a success message here like after F12. So go to any files and just copy. Let's go student list, reserve teacher list, and you can see it here like any place message. Okay, include message and just put here. But this is the file I have created here. You can see it like inside a outside, I think yes, message you can see it. So I just include. Okay, this is the session message because whatever I redirect inside a communicate controller inside like a redirect back success send, mail successfully send. So this is the message you can watch here. So I already saved these files like these files. I'll click on the send email now. So taking few seconds after mail successfully sends, you can see mail successfully sent, and also you can receive here mails. Just refreshing, you can see it here, and here you can go inside. So you can see it like a whatever message because we have made a spaces here bottom. This reason showing the big spaces here. whatever do you make a spaces, so also spacing showing, so do you not made a spacing, so not showing this spacing. So is a mail working very well. So I can, this is the video going to big, so next video I can show you about message to how to receive a student, how to receive parents, how to receive the teachers, like all the teacher how to receive the emails, also parents receive the emails, and student also receive the emails. In this video I will explain like a specific user, also I made a dynamic email. So tomorrow is taking like or more 20 minutes and sort out the issue, means sort out the send email modules. So I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.